In today's video, I'm going to teach you build a production-ready mobile app with React Native and Expo using Claude. We'll use the recommended stack React Native with Expo because it's the fastest way to get a high-quality cross-platform app running on both iOS and Android. Start by creating a clean workspace. Open your terminal, make a new folder called Mobile App, then change into it. This keeps everything organized from day one and makes it easier to manage dependencies and source control later. Next, launch Claude Code by running the Claude command. In your first message, paste a clear master prompt so the assistant acts like a senior mobile app engineer. Specify that you're building a production-ready app with React Native and Expo for iOS and Android, and list the core features you need: authentication, API integration, navigation, state management, and a clean UI. Emphasize building step by step without skipping, and ask to be consulted before major decisions. A focused prompt like this sets expectations and reduces back and forth. Ask for a complete mobile app architecture and folder structure. Review what's proposed, make sure it matches your needs, then approve it by saying, "Proceed with this architecture." This alignment upfront saves refactoring later. Have the assistant scaffold the project. It should generate an Expo-based React Native app with an app.js file and standard folders for screens, components, services, and navigation. This separation keeps views, reusable UI, API logic, and routing cleanly divided, which is critical for scaling. Move on to the core features. For navigation, implement a combination of stack and tab navigation so users can move between high-level sections and deeper screens smoothly. For authentication, add login and sign-up screens wired to your backend API, including basic validation and feedback for incorrect credentials. Create a reusable API service layer to centralize requests and error handling, which makes it easy to swap endpoints or add headers later. For state management, choose Context for simplicity or Redux for larger apps. Either way, keep AUTH status and user data in a predictable store. Run the app locally, install the Expo CLI globally, install project dependencies, then start the development server with Expo Start. Open it on the iOS simulator, the Android emulator, or your real device with the Expo